Imagine you're staring at a beautiful mango cheesecake. Mouthwatering, right? But what if I told you, speaking English fluently is a lot like making that dessert?
Now you've got our attention. So often, people think fluency means talking quickly or using fancy words. But honestly, it's about saying things in the right way, much like following the right recipe steps.
Absolutely. Today, we'll show how to sound natural in English by focusing on clear grammar, confident expression, and conversational flow, all while talking about the Mango Cheesecake Masterclass.
That sounds delicious. We'll break it down. How to use sequencing adverbs, describe sensory details, spice up your adjectives with adverbs, and end with tips for keeping your sentences smooth and expressive. Ready to get cooking and talking?
Let's jump in before anyone gets too hungry. So, let's start with step-by-step sequencing. In both baking and English, you don't just toss everything in at once, right?
Exactly. Say you're making mango cheesecake. Initially, you choose between a baked or no-bake version. That word initially is key. It tells your listener, hey, this is the first step.
Then you move on. Subsequently, you might prepare the biscuit base. These sequencing adverbs guide your listener, like a recipe does with a baker.
Funny enough, when I first made this dessert, I skipped the adverbs in the steps. My kitchen was chaos, and my friend Mark just laughed at the mess. Order really does matter.
Now, let's talk about sounding fluent when describing something. Instead of just saying, it tastes good, go for the details. What makes it special?
Absolutely. Think about it. The biscuit base isn't just crunchy, it's buttery and crumbly, which contrasts beautifully with that velvety, aerated cream cheese filling. Suddenly, you're painting a picture, not just making a statement.
Exactly. And that picture helps your listener taste the cheesecake in their mind. The better your description, the more engaged your audience.
You're right. And it gives your words flavor, just like that zesty mango on top.
Here's a little pro tip for leveling up your fluency. Use strong adverbs with your adjectives. Don't just say the mango is sweet. Say it's exceptionally saccharine.
Oh, I love that. Like, the mangoes you want are incredibly vibrant or delightfully juicy. It's a tiny change, but it makes your language pop. And it's the kind of detail even native speakers appreciate.
Paired words like that add both weight and style. And honestly, they make you sound way more confident when you speak.
It also helps you express exactly what you mean. So your listener doesn't just hear good, they feel your enthusiasm too.
Let's not forget the art of pacing your speech. A well-placed pause can be as delicious as the cake itself. Sometimes, silence adds impact.
That's true. When you pause, people lean in, waiting for what's next. And adding storytelling takes it further. Don't just list steps or ingredients. Share a mini story, the chaos in your kitchen, or the taste of that first bite.
Exactly. Mix in a conditional or modal. If I had used less cream, the texture would have been firmer. It keeps your sentences dynamic and alive.
So, fluency isn't perfection. It's about telling your story, using the tools you have, and making your English a little more flavorful each time.
Let's wrap up with 3 big takeaways. First, sequencing adverbs are your best friend for clarity. Second, sensory details turn boring descriptions into vibrant ones. Third, pairing adverbs with adjectives adds power to your speech.
And for your next step, try describing your favorite dish using these tools out loud. It's a fun way to practice, whether you're baking or just daydreaming about dessert.
Share your creative sentences or kitchen stories in the comments. We love seeing you get more confident every time you speak.
And if you want more masterclasses on speaking naturally, be sure to subscribe and let us know what topic you want us to tackle next. Keep practicing. Your English will only get tastier from here.